When the risen Christ appeared and commissioned his disciples to be his witnesses, he told them that to be effective and fruitful witnesses, they would need the power of the Holy Spirit to aid them. God doesn't ask you to go it alone. He is there to help you. So pray and ask God to give you the right moment, the right words, and the right way to share Christ's love and his good news. And remember, like any skill, learning to talk about Jesus in a natural, conversational way simply takes practice. You really will get better at it once you've had some experience. Jesus said, "Follow me, and I will make you fishers of men." That means Jesus is engaged in seeking people who are already in our lives, people at work, in our neighborhood, at the gym, our extended family. In other words, we follow Christ. He doesn't follow us. So ask God, where are you at work in my world, Lord? Lead me to those you are already seeking.